Good morning, Algebra. Awesome things for you today. First of all, if you were at home, you should have taken the test yesterday. If you did not take the assessment yesterday, then, sorry, if you were here, you should have taken the assessment yesterday, then you need to be getting caught up because there's another one that's going to be coming at you probably next Monday at the latest, I bet. So get caught up. Guys got to be working on that. You got to be doing stuff at home. If you don't do stuff at home, you're going to get behind and you cannot pass this class when you get as far behind as some of you are. So make sure that you're logging in and getting those things done, making sure that you're jumping in and doing some attendance real quick. I'll post it in just a moment here. Today, the new stuff is factoring with quadratic still, so the same lesson as we did like 2 lessons before. The difference is now we're taking the quadratics, and there will be a greatest common factor, something that you can pull out of all 3 of them, and then factor it. Okay? Real quick, I'll say this in the video for the lesson, but if your answer has like a 7 that you can pull out, I think this is actually a real answer too. If this is your greatest common factor, this is what you pulled out, great, awesome. Make sure that that's first. The x1 and the x plus 4, x minus 1, x plus 4, these two can get flipped around. Both answers are acceptable, but the greatest common factor has to be first. So make sure that you get that in there. Tomorrow, we're going to be looking at a little bit more factoring stuff. That's Wednesday. Honestly, there's a really good chance we're taking another test on Thursday. So make sure that you get caught up. That's the second test. There will be 3 in this unit. That's 3 in every unit. So make sure that you're ready for that. Use your time at home. Use your time to be doing homework stuff. And then I will see you in class.